As manufacturing moves toward higher precision and larger formats, what's needed isn't just more power, but a true cutting giant that tackles thick plates with speed and strength. Faster, steadier, smarter. GFA isn't a scaled-up machine. It's redesigned from the ground up for large format processing. In shipbuilding and steel structure manufacturing, production faces major challenges: massive workpieces, heavy plates, and tight deadlines. GFA was born to solve these problems. First, it's solidly built. Its mortise and tenon welded frame delivers higher rigidity and longer service life. The hollow gantry and separated work table keep it steady, even at high speed. With a larger cutting area, it handles extra long, extra wide workpieces or multiple plates in one setup. Powered by the speedy drive system, it reaches 140 meters per minute linkage speed with up to 1.1 G acceleration. Its 12 to 100 kilowatt power range makes thick plate cutting faster and more efficient. Beyond efficiency, every detail reflects the power of intelligence. The smart marking system makes each plate traceable, helping you quickly confirm installation positions and process requirements. The heavy-duty AB bevel head enables fast, high-precision bevel cutting. One-step forming, fewer processes, and lower costs. The Sky Eye remnant detection system provides one-click intelligent nesting, maximizing material utilization. For shipbuilding and steel structure industries, this is more than an equipment upgrade. It's a complete production enhancement. It features a fully enclosed protection design, CE certified for global compliance, providing all-round safety for both operators and equipment. Its dynamic exhaust dust removal system follows the cutting path in real time, efficiently removing smoke and dust for a cleaner, greener workspace. Each cut represents a step towards safer and more sustainable manufacturing. With the same investment, you gain higher productivity, higher accuracy, and higher safety. That's why more shipyards, heavy machinery, and steel structure enterprises choose HSG. GFA, not just a laser cutter, but a true cutting giant that transforms the way you manufacture.